This is a quick guide for the science laboratory software. First, we log in. At the main menu for the products, we could search for a product, acetone. So it's not available. We could add it to the inventory. There are two types of a product, an equipment or chemical. Chemical is one that is consumable. Acetone. See cost. Price. Initial inventory or quantity is optional. Let's set it at 120. Okay. Now, the request or transaction. The requester is the default login user. We could change it. Classroom, reference, and notes, these are optional fields. See? Per transaction, there could be several items. These transaction types, some of them are subtractive, like you borrow, then the items or the quantities will be subtracted from the inventory, while when you purchase, the quantity will be added to the master inventory. So we borrow test tube. The available quantity is indicated there. You cannot borrow that exceeds the available quantity. Say you borrow 1. Okay. Then next one is you want to consume. Since acetone is not returnable, 120, the available quantity, you want request for 20. Okay, that's it. Then for the search, if you want to search for a product or a requester, for example acetone, there you see the transaction being made based on acetone, or you could search for the requester, marquee, click on the transaction, the acetone is there. Expiry, the default will be the next month, the items or the products that are expiring for next month. Currently we don't have. For example, we'll just filter it. So far in our database, we have 75 units of sulfuric acid that will be expiring this December 30. So we could do it partially, or the entire 75 quantity will be marked as sold or lost or expired. Since the current date has not yet reached the expiry date, it will not show the expired button, but you could do it manually by toggling this show button. When I expire it and refresh the page, then it's no longer available in the report because it has already been expired. So it will not be reflected the next time we make a transaction or we make a request for the transaction. And you could play around with these menus, and you could also consult the docs. These docs will describe the proper way of using this laboratory software. For any questions, please consult us. Thank you.